Right, so a lot of people ask me how this machine is and how good it is. Well, number one, I got fresh JJ beans, coffee beans. Okay, so what you do is you grab this because it needs to go on top here. And then what you do is pop that in here. And look, it'll tell you the recommended grind size and the amount. So you go start grinding. Grab this. Okay, it's all done. Now it's like that. So you grab this, you go, that's it. Just once. Take this off. Pop it in here. And because I'm going to make an espresso, grab my espresso cup. And I'll put it right there. I go here and press OK. Wait, stop it because I gotta light this up. Put it right there. And you'll start a brew. Now check this. A second now. Boom. That's your espresso, but you gotta let it finish. What I do is I run it through twice because the amount it pours out is actually pretty strong. So I'm gonna run it through twice. And go like this. Let's do it again. And right now we'll just stop it at halfway.